Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to remove background from an image. You do not need to be a pro in Photoshop, and this can be done with one click. This is great for creating product photos for Amazon or eBay, or even removing backgrounds from a portrait. So let's begin. On your web browser, navigate to pixlr.com. I'll add the link in the comment section down below. Then click on Remove BG link at the top of the page. Now press on Open Image. Select your image. The website will then give you three sizes you want your images in: Ultra HD, HD or Web. Ultra HD is approximately 9 megapixels, HD is 2.3 and Web is 1 megapixels. Select your size and then press Apply. The website will then start the process, and after a few seconds you'll see the image without the background. Play around with the tools on the right hand side and fine-tune the image more by using the brush. Once you're happy, press the download link on the site. The image will be then downloaded to your computer, and as you can see, it is in high quality. And there you go guys, that is how to remove background from an image. Again, you do not need to know Photoshop to do this. It's quite simple and it's quite effective. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.